Hey, if you're interested in starting your own online business, I want to invite you to join my 5-day digital products breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to be showing ordinary people just like you how to create passive income by creating and selling digital products. At the end of this challenge, you will know how to create digital products, how to set up an automated system so that you can get sales whilst you sleep. And then the end result is that you'll be able to get sales daily 24/7. Now, this challenge is not for free. As of today, the price is just $27 or 500 rands. But most definitely, the price is going to be going up as this is just the launching price. In that 5-day challenge, I'm going to show you on the first day how to find digital product ideas. The second day, I'll show you how to actually create a digital product using AI. The third day, I'll show you how to build your own online store or website so that people can visit and actually buy your products any time of the day. Then the fourth day, I'll show you how to find customers who actually want to buy those products. And then the fifth day, I will show you how to actually launch and scale your business to 5 or 6 figures, regardless of which country you are in. To sign up, simply click the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code you are seeing on your screen right now. And I'll see you on the inside of the challenge as I help you to launch your own business so that you can finally start having income online.